Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing update. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to update your iPhone software, you might see that your software has been stuck on preparing updates. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just open your settings app, and here you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Then go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and you just have to make sure that you have almost 5 to 10 GB free more than your update size. So after that, just go back or go to software update, or you can also try to go to your iPhone Storage. Just go for the search option and just search for iOS. So once you have searched for iOS, your downloaded update will be showed here. If your update has been a bit downloaded, you might see that here. You just have to try to delete your downloaded update from here. So once you have deleted, your update will stop, and now you have to restart your update. But before you restart, I recommend you have to try to reset your network settings to prevent if there will be any network issue. It might be fixed in the step. So just go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. So once you have done, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart before you retry. Not to do this, just quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here just try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection. So once your network has been connected, just go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and now you have to retry to restart your update. And once you have done, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.